All right, this video is sponsored by GameChanger Cosmetics, which is a cosmetic line started by my wife and I about 2 years ago. I'm super excited about this, So the plan was for us to take my 19 years of experience and reformulate a lot of products that I use to make them higher performing and with better ingredients. So we found a cosmetic laboratory locally here in Texas, set with the chemist, biologist, and for 2 years, man, I took all my pros and cons in the shave gel, which is my first product, and I told them the do's and don'ts. So one thing that makes this shave gel the biggest thing outside of a lot of stuff is the consistency. A great quality shave gel should be thick but not too thick. A lot of shave gels are thinner, which makes you have to use more and they run out faster. What happens with a thinner shave gel is that it pulls the skin because it doesn't grab. This is a thicker shave gel that grabs the hair so that the razor can glide right across, but it's not too thick to where it's clunky and leave residue after the shave is done. It's actually coated or it's full with aloe, so that way it moisturizes the skin pre and post shave. We didn't spare any expense with this. We took our time. It took me 2 years to develop it. I even designed the labels myself and little details like this with the bottle, right? You open it, you use some, now you can lock it instead of having to press down, lose gel to close it. Like, we really took our time with this. So y'all go check it out at GameChanger Cosmetics. You won't be disappointed. Very quality. I wouldn't put my name on it if I didn't believe in it. So y'all check it out. Let me know what you think. Let's get back to the video. All right, so razor edge up. As much as it's gonna seem like I'm trying to sell you a product, I am, but for good reason. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna be super honest. So a razor edge up is part skill, part good product, right? I know nowadays a lot of people, for one, they don't really use a razor. And for two, they like to dry shave, which is cool, not really. It can cause long-term irritation over time. And not using a razor can aid in pushbacks because you have to, the vibration of the clippers makes the hair run, so you gotta chase. If you can master the art of a razor edge, I promise you, the cut will last longer, look crispier, sharper, all of that, right? Now, when it comes to product, I've been using shave gels for like 15 years since I've started. Started with Eco Style, then I used a few others. So I've tried a lot of different shave gels. What makes the shave gel that we've developed so much different is the consistency. The reason why a thicker shave gel, but not too thick, because you don't want it sticky, right? That's another problem out here. But I don't like to use shave gel, bro, because it's sticky. Not this one. A watery shave gel makes it hard for the razor to work, so it doesn't glide across the hair shaft cutting. It causes irritation. Too thick of a shave gel, dry, flaky. When you have a good consistency, it weighs on the hair. See right now, right? What I'm doing is I'm debulking the edge up, which is very important because with Isaiah's hair texture, what happens is their hair will recoil and curl over. But with a thicker, heavier shave gel like this one right here that we've developed, the hair lays flat and it helps the razor glide across this hair shaft. Now, I get a question, what razor blades do you use? Bro, I use all different types. As long as it's not a Dove fresh razor and you have a good gel, it'll work. So let's get into some details on a razor edge up. First, you want to keep the edge up natural. And a razor edge up is like driving manual. You literally have to do everything yourself, every step, every hair shaft, every piece, which can be difficult, but when you practice that, when you rep that, it gives the cleanest, most long-lasting looks. Now, look at my offhand. Look at my thumb, look at my finger. I'm stretching the skin. Whenever using a razor, it's very important and it's very helpful to tighten the skin because the less your skin moves with the razor, the tighter the workspace, the easier it is to get that desired look. And then after you get a razor edge, as you see me doing right here, you can go back and find the details. And again, I'm going to mark in my shave gel because I truly believe in it. Look at how it lays. I didn't have to apply much. It lays that hair down smoothly, and it allows me to do this right here without getting clunky in the comb and overshadowing, making the hair, like I said, clumpy and thick. Super smooth, great scent, great feel. It moisturizes the hair pre and post shave, meaning when I put this on, if his skin is dry, because you don't want to shave dry, obviously, causes irritation, the aloe in the shave gel moisturizes. But because of the consistency and how it was designed, even after, if you notice, his skin doesn't flake up because the shave gel post-shave keeps his skin moisturized. Also, I've heard a lot of people say, "Oh, I use the shaving cream." Yeah, shaving cream is cool too, but you can see it's not shaving cream isn't transparent. So although it works amazingly, I love lather. As you're shaving, it's hard to see. With a good shave gel like ours, you can see as you work. So again, look at the offhand. I'm stretching the skin. The keys when it comes to using the razor: for one, reps; for two, tightening the skin; for three, having a good product, even if it's not ours, which I would love for you to try. Any good shave gel will work. Just make sure it's not too watery. Make sure it's thicker, but not too thick. You can do this by testing it on your hand. Obviously, in about 15 to 20 seconds, did it flake up on your skin? If so, try to find something different. Also, a razor helps the hair helps keep that edge up more natural. But the biggest thing is reps, reps on reps on reps on reps on reps. All right, then you can go against the grain. You want to go against the grain because you want to get those extra pieces of their hair shaft off to give it a nice clean look. I'm telling you, man, when y'all master that razor, look at that, it looks so good. You can even clean the taper area up. That's a little tip that I use. Then I come back with the trimmer, take it out. So yeah, that's my tips on how to do a razor edge up. I feel like if I miss anything, y'all let me know. I mean, because again, this is one of the things that I've been doing for so long. What do y'all want to know about when it comes to using a razor? Go to GameChangerCosmetics.com. Try the shave gel out. I promise you, it lasts for a while. You won't be disappointed. Check it out. See y'all soon.